आजानुलम्बितभुजौ कनकावदातो सङ्कीर्तनैकपितरौ कमलायताख्यौ विश्वम्भरौ द्विजवरौ युगधर्मपालौ वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरौ करुणावतारौ अङ्गस्यामणिमछटाभिरवितो मिन्दीकृतिन्दिवरं जाड्यं जागुडरुचिषां विदधतं पटाम्बरं च श्रियां बृन्दारण्यविलासिनो हृदि लसत् दामाभिरामोदरं राधास्कन्धनिवेशितजलभुजं ध्यायेमदामोदरं नीलाचलनिवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्रसुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम राम। The first of all, I offer my innumerable Sastanga Pranipad to His Divine Grace, Guru Pada Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pada Stotra Sata, Sri Srila Bhakti Vayopari Goswami Maharaj, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pada, Sri Shiksha Guru Sannyasi Guru Pada Padma, Bhakti Jivana Janatana Goswami Maharaj, Avinna Guru Pada Padma. Today we are assembled the occasion of the appearance Mahotsav festival of our Siksha Guru Srila Prabhupada Pesta Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pada Stotra Sata Sri Bhakti Daita Madhava Goswami Maharaj. I pray to his lotus feet from the Goloka Vrindavan, to bless us. We can proceed in this material, illusory, conditioned world, and I offer my respectful obeisances to all our Guru Vargas, our all associated with the Parama Gurudeva Nitya Lila Pravishta Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Thakur Prabhupada, and today the disappearance festival of our Nitya Lila Pravishta Vishnu Pada Bhakti Shri Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, and all our Parampara Acharyas. They blessed us. We can able to practice and we can control our senses, mind, our ego. We will be qualified to chant Harinama Sankirtan, and we can release this divine couple, Sri Radha Govindas, Radha Damodars, Radha Gopinath, Radha Madana Mohan, all the pastimes, mostly in this place where Govardhana and Radha Kunda, Manas Sarovar, Govinda Kunda, many, all these secret pastimes which is not available in the spiritual planet. Even in Goloka Vrindavan also, these pastimes we can't get there. So this is our good fortune. Same time I offer my Sastanga Dhandavat to Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnu Pada Bhakti Vallabha Tirtha Goswami Maharaj, who has blessed us, and Nitya Lila Bhakti Vijnana Bharati Goswami Maharaj. They are all blessed us. So in this place, the name of Tirtha Ashram He is present here. So we pray His causeless mercy. And I offer my respectful obeisances to all Vaishnavas, mostly here, our beloved Sripad Bhakti Madhusudana Maharaj, Damodara Maharaj, our Babaji Maharaj, and Sadhu Maharaj, Paramahansa Babaji Maharaj. I don't know the names, so I beg excuse if some mistake there. And Sadhu Maharaj, Padma Maharaj, and all our sannyasis present here. All I beg their mercy, all brahmacharis, all grihasthas, and all Vaishnavis, and all Dhamavashi. Here the dust, creeper and plants, and all water, air, all these dham, any creatures, they are superior than also from the demigods and other Vaikuntha planets. They are the part of this Leela. So I surrender to them and beg their mercy so we can able to enter this pastimes and the creation of the Supreme Lord here. We can get the mercy. I pray to worship our deities installed here. Sri Sri Radha Gokulananda, Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Giriraj Maharaj, Salagram, all the blessed hearts, so we can success our human life and serve to our Guru Vargas. Today, Ekadasi, very pious and important day in our Vaishnavas. All Ekadasi, among all Ekadasi, today Utthana Ekadasi, after 4 months, the Supreme Lord, He wake up and He blessed to everyone, whole world in our Vedic process, lineage, any sampradayas, any philosophers, they all observe Ekadasi and they follow many rules and regulations. We also follow. This is very pious day. In this day, Bhakti Janani, the mother of Bhakti, Ekadasi Devi, she appeared and she prayed to the Supreme Lord, who will observe this day, they fast, they worship to you, they will get in your service. That is the most merciful of Ekadasi Devi. No other any tithis, dates, there are many there, but such merciful this benediction come from the Supreme Lord, we can't get. So in this day we have two, our Guru Vargas, Guru Parampara, Nitya Leela Pravishtum Vishtum Padastu Satasvila Bhakti Deta Madhav Sri Maharaj appeared, and Nitya Leela Bhakti Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj, he distinct Tiro Bhav and Abhiribhav. Both bhavas are there. This bhava and prema. This is the highest and the top of our bhakti sadhana. Shraddha, sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, anartha nivritti, our nishtha, asakti, ruchi, then bhava. These bhavas, one is tirobhav, one is abhibhav, and we are also always living with our shobhav, our character, what comes from our past life, from our father, mother, and our this village association, our shobhav, our characteristic. This is coming by from our past life, past life. This shobhava is difficult to change. A moral instruction there, human character never changes, only change after death. In moral instruction, shobhava naiva muchyate kinchit. If somebody practice to change his characteristic, very difficult to change. If somebody practice with heartily, seriously, maybe little change. Naiva muchyate. Otherwise, if we see in Puranas, the Supreme Lord, he killed to Hiranyakashipu. They again came, same character. Ravana Kumbhakarna, same character. Shishupala Dantavakra, same character. Kansa was Kalanami, he was killed. But he also came with the same character. Vairānubandha. So very difficult to change character. But there is one option there. Some rules say everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. The Supreme Lord, Sri Krishna told to Uddhava to change the human character. There is so many processes, he told, many yoga processes. Hatha yoga, Sankhya yoga, Karma yoga, Jnana yoga, Dhyana yoga, many yogas he explained there. Then other pious activities like Dana, Vrata, Tapa, Homa, Yoga, Jaga, Jagya, charity, renunciation, living in a pilgrimage place, taking always a bath in sacred rivers, ponds, always fire sacrifice. There are many processes there. But he told, Prayena Bhakti Yogena Satsangena Vinodhava Nopaya Vidyate Sadryam Prayanam Hi Satamaham. Our original character of the soul, difficult to bring ourselves in our practical life. According to our body, according to our place, gender, age, material education, culture, religion, there are many qualifications, our identity here. To change them and to bring our original characteristic, which is Krishna Das. Jivar Swarupaya Krishna Nitya Das, Gopi Bhartu Pada Kamala Dasa Dasa Dasanu Dasa, which is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given. And Bhagavatam also told, Krishna also told in Bhagavad Gita, Mame Vamsa Jiva Loke Jiva Bhuta Sanatana, how we can achieve and change our this mind, our ego, our intelligence, our senses, because these three moods of nature, this Maya, Devi Echa Gunamai Mama Maya Durataya, this is keeping to Brahma, Lord Shiva, and all demigods, rishis and demons and animals and all the nature, it is under control of the God and three nature. So very difficult to change. So how to change? Then he told Bhakti Yogena, Prayena Bhakti Yogena, who completely surrender. Complete surrender. Not 50% surrender, 60% or 80%, no, 99% surrender also not possible. 100% necessary. Fully surrender. Complete surrender, then associate with devotees. This is the only the two process Krishna told. Prayena Bhakti Yogena, Satsangena Vinodhava. Sadhu, Satsanga means sadhus also there. Karmi sadhu there, Jnani sadhu there, Yogi sadhu there. There are many dresses sadhus there. You can find yellow and deep red, then something like white or something, many dresses, maybe some metal hairs and shaved head. Many India you can find every place one sadhus there. If you go to Kumbh Mela, you can find whole universe sadhus also there. They together there, complete naked, completely full of the dedicated. Many things you can get. Also you can get with marijuana and all these things. They are offering prasadam. You can get whole sadhus you can find. But here he told Bhakti Yogena, Bhakta sadhus, who are devotees and who completely surrender to his Guru, Vaishnavas, and he is practicing. This is the most powerful. He told there, 1 second can change. Gaur Premanande Hari. Tulayam alavenapi na swargam na punarbhavam bhagavata sangi sangasya martyanam kimuta svaha. Tulayam alavenapi. Lava in our Sanskrit, just like second. Then another verse there, Durlabho Manusha Janma, Durlabho Manusha Janma, Dehina Kshanamhambura, Tatrapi Durlabham Mani, Vaikuntha Priya Darshana. Ataha Attantika Khemum Pruchama Bhagavata Naya. Kshanardhamopi satsanga levati bham. Kshana ardha. It will just like one flash. Such time also can change his character, change his mind, change his intelligence, change his life plan, change his everything, and come to the Supreme Lord and surrender to Guru Vaishnava and floating in Vrindavan as this dust. This is not easy, but it will become easy. It will become easy. So if we understand the reality, how the value of our human life and our practice, then we understand how our Guru works. If we see one example, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswami Thakur Prabhupada, who was the Yuga Acharya, and he changed Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teachings, his prediction, and his associates, Goswamis, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, all Goswamis, their teachings and practice, how to distribute whole world. every corner of this world. City, also village. To fulfill Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's this future vision words, he did Shatakoti Nama, Yajna, all we know his practice. But that time, Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Thakur's time, he was son of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, who was British Emperor time. He was a magistrate, highest post, educated in material. And he was well established, position, education, fame, name, and he was right, everything was there. And Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Thakur, Bimala Prasad, who appeared there. That time in Navadip, there are many Goswamis. They are coming from Nityananda Prabhu's dynasty, Advaita Acharya's dynasty. They have many degrees. Vyakarana in Sanskrit, Kapya, Darshana, Tarka, Nyaya. They have many degrees. They have established deities, temple, disciples, everything was there. But Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Thakur rejected everyone. And he selected to take initiation who has nothing. Not a Brahmin high class family, not education, he does not want to put a signature also. And he has no any temple, no ashram, no any education degree, university degree. Even he has no one kutir, one small bhajan kuti also he has nothing. Not. He has no dress also. He has no dress also. One only kaupi. Sometimes also he was not. He was living under a tree and nothing to eat. What he was eating? All the rotten vegetables, fruits when they throw. And sometimes he gets some rice, putting inside the rice in Ganga. After it became wet, then he just feed. Another point maybe no one understands. He selected a dham, a nice ashram. No one can go there, it is public toilet in Navadip. How they practice their bhajan. If we see, then we understand what is the deepest and supreme of this bhava to get this. He was living on a public toilet, not now how we are using now. But that time he was different. No one can enter the contaminated place. But he was living there and chanting Harinam there. To protect his soul, protect his characteristic, because these people, they come, they always they ask, please give me, benedict me, bless me for the material things, they disturb them. So he does not want to disturb 1 second by them. So he was like Avadhut. Namo Gaura Kishoraya Sakshat Vairagya Murti. What is Vairagya? What is detachment? If we want to see, then that is the form of Gaura Kishora Das Babaji Maharaj. Before Mahaprabhu Sasut Raghunath Das was also like that. He was also Vairagya. Raghunathera Vairagya Jeno Vasanera Rekha Chaitanya Charitamrita. No one can follow this. So Gaura Kishorodas Babaji Maharaj, that time, but what he was doing? Namo Gaura Kishoraya Sakhyat Vairagya Murte Vipralambara Shambhude Padam Pujayati Namo. Vipralambara Shambhude Vipralambara Sha, which is in a Rupa Goswami has written Vipranayo Vipralamba Yogena Na Vipralamba Yogena Shambhogam Pustimasnute. Without separation mood, there is no pleasure of their union. So this separation mood, it is actually started from Madhavendra Puripad. Madhavendra Puripad, he was the first, the seed of our Gaudiya, Brahma Madhya Gaudiya Sampradaya. This mood of separation mood, which is written in Bhagavatam, and Uddhava prayed for this. Sarvatma bhavavadhi kruttu bhavati nam adhukshaje virahena mahabhaga bhanamenu graha krutaha. This is Uddhava's prayer to Gopis. This anugraha, their mercy to him. What was that speciality? Virahena. How they are suffering by separation mood in Brahmara Gita when he heard from Radharani, and Gopis when he was going to hear in Vrindavana Braja, all these pastimes places, they are, how they explain. Uddhava told, Vande Nanda Brajastrinam Padarinum Aviknasa Yasang Harikatho Udigitam Punati Bhuvanam Trayam. Harikatho Udigitam, Harikatha, it is coming everywhere. Vede, Ramayane, Shaiva, Purane, Bharate, Tatha, Adya, Madhya, Ante, Harihi, Sarvatra Giyate. In Veda, Purana, Ramayana, Mahabharata, all they explained about Hari. And Brahma also explained about Hari, Mahadeva also explained, Anantadeva explained, Narada also explained, Sanaka Sanandana explained, many they explained about Hari Krishna. But Gopis, how they explain simultaneously, they are explaining with Krishna's presence there, same times they also explain about separation. When Uddhava saw this, then he told this, Punati Bhuvanatrayam, this Tini Bhuvan, Punati Rasa Sansar, Ananta Katha Rasasya, this Rasa Katha, Bhava, Prema, with the sound, with the words, with the sentence, with the subject, these pastimes, never find anywhere. He established this in Bhagavatam. So regarding Bhagavatam, we follow this. So Vipralambara Shambhude, same mood of Bhagavatam and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. 12 years he was staying one place, one room, and enjoying this Sri Radhaya Pranaya Mahima Kidrushya Swadyo Jena Bhuta Madhurima Kidrushya Madhya Sauksham Chasya Madanudhavataha Kidrusya Veti Lova Tada Bhavadya Samajani Sachigarva Sindhu Harindu. Sri Krishna became Radharani, and Radha Krishna's mood, both Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he enjoyed this Vipralambara Shambhude. How he was enjoying this? Which in Kasi Mistre, in Kasi Misra's house, which is Gambhira now Radha Kanta Mata, how his body enters inside the body, limbs, hand and legs, sometimes Dirgha became so long, joints open. This is Maharaj never find Chaitanya Charitamrita told to never hear, never in scriptures, never there is another one, some example there, this bhav only, either Radharani or next to Chaitanya. So this Gaura Kishorodas Babaji Maharaj, Vipralambara Sambudhi, he was floating, swimming in this Vipralambara Ambudhi, like ocean, not little. Gopi Bhavara Samruta Lahari Kalol Magnam Ur Sande Rupa Sanatana Vedu Sri Jiva Gopalato Gopi Bhavara Samruta. But which is the Samruti? Vipralambara Samruti. This Vipralambara, how, where I can get this song which is Gaur Kishore Das Maharaj Kothay go Radhe, oh Radhe, where are you? Sometimes he is asking me Yamuna, sometimes Radha Kunda, Sham Kunda, everywhere is Ha Radhe Radhe. When he Chaitanya Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur saw this such Mahabhava, such ecstatic love and prem, then he surrendered. And he told, I have to take this from him. There are many well-established positions with their birth, with the education, with wealth, with the followers, disciples, everything was there. But he rejected all and surrendered to him. Vipralambara Sambudhi. This is Vipralambara separation mood of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In Sikhya Astaka, Mahaprabhu told this, how to chant Harinam. And he told, Ainanda Tanuja Kingaram Patitam Visame Bhavam Dhu Krupaya Dopad Pankajapita Rudi Sadrisham Vij Nayano Galadastru Dharaya Badano Gadagadardhaya Gira Pula Kairini Chitam Bapu Adatavanam Grahani Bhavishachi. When I chant your name, my tears floated from eyes, heads will stand, throat will choke, all these prem symptoms will appear. Sunyayitang jagata sarvam govindam virahiname. With the Govinda's viraha, separation of Govinda, whole universe is empty. Sunyayitang jagata sarvam. So such prema, bhava, 1 second, if someone just come to touch, shall see, just in Jaiva Dharma, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, when he mentioned one sannyasi from Brahmin, he has all Sadadarsana, he passed all education, he took sannyasi and moved all pilgrimage places, and he has many philosophy, everything he has. But he met his one Babaji, one devotee, Vaishnava is crying and calling his name and he is going. But he saw immediately he changed. He became also Paramahansa. He changed everything. So 1 second such kind of bhava, the vibration of spiritual, this sound by the singing or talking or by the appearance, if they got, completely this human character will change. Ego will finish, mind disturbance will finish, and all his sensual, all his attraction will finish. Then go to understand this, to cultivate and to get this bhava. So this svabhava, today, one's disappearance bhava, another's appearance avirbhava. Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupada Stodam Prasila Bhakti Daita Bhagavad Maharaj's appearance. They are not took birth here. If we see Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Thakur, when he was chanting 12 years of sitting one place, and day and night he was chanting this Harinam. Then Mahaprabhu Nityananda Prabhu appeared to him and he told, you go to preach. Why you are sitting? You came to preach because they sent him. He told, how I can get preach? No association. Nobody is with me. Nothing is with me. How I will do? Then Mahaprabhu understand. He told, tomorrow I will send. They will come to you, you go to preach. So one of them, Nityayasa Bhaktivedanta Madhava Goswami is, he came to Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. And among our all Guru Vargas, he is one prominent. You see, if you see his only figure is part. Also you can immediately you can listen. Don't want to listen anything. My good fortune is once in when Chaitanya Gaudiya Math first opened in Puri. Now Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Thakur Prabhupada's appearance, that is place, birthplace. So that time all of our Gaudiya Varga, Guru Vargas, all of them present, Guru Maharaj present. That time I was not there, but I met how his kirtan. You see, the big Kartal kirtan. Who will listen this kirtan Kartal, they will change. And how he established it. In Vrindavan, Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, Puri, and Agartala, and Calcutta, and many, among all our Guru Vargas. Very big temple and very big institutions. I was saying once, I think 2 days before we were discussing Bhakti Swarupa Siddhanta Maharaj's place in Vrindavan. All there was a public meeting. Then, yes, already. So there only one thing, how he was preaching. So in the public meeting there are many Mayavadi sannyasis, they are explaining about Brahma, we are Brahma, Jiva Brahma, Eva Kevalam, only Ek Brahma, Dityanati, only Brahma there, we are Brahma, we have nothing. He was explaining it. We have no death, no birth, nothing there, no fear, nothing there. And he finished his lecture. Then Bhaktivedanta Madhava Goswami Maharaj appeared. Then he with danda, he started to like action to beat this sannyasi. Then he started to fear. All people there. Oh, you are a Brahma, you are saying you have no fear, now you are... So all finished this philosophy and the teachings and the pravachan and complete 1 second. This is the powerful of our Guru. 1 second. Finish. No need to too much argument to go to bringing all sutras and slokas to cutting and yukti. No need. One action, finish this. To bring Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's these teachings and Bhagavata teaching and Vaishnavas, all these things. So we cannot glorify how their whole life they practice. I hear when they cannot finish their Harinam, Sankhyanam, night time they come and they have big masari, mosquito net. They can stand there and they started to, because mosquitoes in the college you go, no, they are disturbing all. You cannot sit in college, you go one place study. Many they put in injection. So they disturb. So they make big, long mosquito net, they stand. Sometimes if some sleep come, they also put some rope to their shikha. So they cannot do. They do like such practice things. And another one point is, once when he was Brahmachari, named Hayagriva Brahmachari, his name was, and he came from one place to Calcutta temple, and supposed to he goes to another program. There is a public program. So there is necessity to fight with them. Preaching means fight to cut these all demons and all rakshasas like Hanuman. You have to go there Lanka and destroy this Lanka, golden Lanka, you have to finish, make ashes them. They want to enjoy this. So he also supposed to go there. At that time was Ekadasi, like today, Ekadasi. So they have to go to another program, and Bhaktisiddhanta Swami Thakur Prabhupada, who did not allow even with tea, coffee, to tea also to take initiation. But in Ekadasi day, he told to him, you eat rice prasada, annam prasada. Because he has to go to fight, to preaching there, need energy. Okay, I am doing fasting, I am taking chaturmasya, there is no energy, no strength, how they can speak, how they can fight with them. Need to be fresh brain, fresh mind, fresh intelligence, they can fight there. Then among all, he told him to take a prasad there. So, but he did not do, because all God brothers are also there, and maybe they will criticize sometime. So they did not take, but whole life I heard from Bhakti Vijnana Bharati Maharaj, Narayana Maharaj, his disciples, he told, oh, whole life I suffer because I have to follow my Guru's order. Because he bring such, which important part of bhakti, eating rice, fasting is not important part. Important part is to preach, to establish the Supreme Lord, Krishna, Radha Krishna is they are a Supreme Lord. Not like Yudhishthira Maharaj called the Rajasuya Jagya. These kings who are not accepting Krishna in the Supreme Lord declare to fight with us. He declared Rajasuya Jagya, he invited to everyone. Therefore he became also Haridasa Varya, Uddhava became Haridasa Varya, Govardhan also Haridasa Varjas. So he is also Bhakti-Vedanta Madhava Goswami Maharaj, among all he was a prominent our Guru Varga, and who can glorify them. There are many pastimes there. We can hear from Maharaj. So there I took more time. So I beg excuse. Thanks to all. Vancha kalpataruvyascha kripa sindhubhayavacha Titanang pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namagaya nityalila vaishnavibhyo Bhakti-Vedanta Madhava Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Tadiya Abhirabhava Tithi Mahotsav ki jai. गौर कृष्णदास बाजी महाराज की जय, तेज तिरुभाव तिथि की जय, गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि बोल।